All right, guys, today's video, tire upgrade for the Mega G Plus and Mega G cars. Let's do it. Hey everybody, we got the patient on the operating table today. So this is Mega G Plus. We've been doing a lot of videos on Mega G Plus, and that's just because there's a lot of things that we make that can improve these. So we're going to go ahead and pull this Formula E body off here, and we're going to talk about the tires. So these production tires, they're mass produced, they're made from rubber, they are hard, and sometimes they can be a little bit wobbly or a little bit out of round. So we make a high performance tire. We have a couple of different colors of the rears for those that like putting different colors on their car. We also have them in all black, and we just introduced a front tire. So we're gonna go ahead and get these tires out of the package here, and we can talk a little bit about them. These are precision molded. They are made from our, we have an S1 and an M1 compound. So S1 is our soft compound, which is what we're using here. So this is a stock car, no magnet upgrade, nothing like that. If you were gonna do a magnet upgrade, I definitely recommend doing the M1 just because there's less tire squish, but these tires are super precision, very smooth, very quiet. You'll see and hear that in the video. But they also, a lot of people ask like what side to put on, and I don't know if you can see in the video, but there's a matte finish side that usually has a little bit of a radius. And then this is the back side, which is much shinier. And I typically will just put that side against the hubs. But to get these tires off, you literally just peel them off or slip them off. So we call this a slip-on tire, and the reason for that is because it does just that. So you can keep these old tires. There's nothing wrong with that. I know a lot of guys that wish that they would have kept tires from 20, 30, 40 years ago just to have stock tires around. Sometimes these are lettered, which a lot of guys really enjoy those lettered tires, but if you want more performance, you gotta get those things off of there. But to put the new ones on, you just push them on, and I usually push until my thumb hits the rim, and then you just want to spin the tire, and I will usually put my fingernail right on the edge and push my finger up, which will then push the tire up against the flange, and you can get the tire to run as true as possible. So we'll just repeat that process here, front and rear. Like I said, if you don't like the white tires or the neon green or the neon pink, we do make black tires for the back as well. We only have black fronts available right now. We could do colors down the road if you guys wanted colors, but sometimes people don't like colored tires because full-scale cars don't have colored tires, but I have a secret. Full-scale cars don't have guide pins either, so you got to draw the line somewhere. But now this thing ready to go, sitting pretty, it's ready for the track. It's as simple as that. I mean, there's lots of other tire options. These particular tires we use today, they are specifically for the Mega G rims. We do have a complete rear end setup that has a narrow double flange rim. That tire gets you into, that rim gets you into a whole nother type of tires, the narrow tires like we run on the race cars and whatnot. So that could be another video for a later point in time, but this is just for your stock car. Now that's about $6 right there, and it'll make a huge difference. I mean, it'll make the car quieter, smoother, faster, everything. So lot better. Isn't coming off. Sounds better. Looks cooler.